All right, guys, 2013 Mercedes-Benz C250. Really beautiful car, as you guys can see. Got some nice custom wheels. I think they're Mercedes wheels, but anyways, what we got done on it, got factory converter there, secondary either converter or resonator there, another resonator there. Then what we did on it is dualed it out for him. He brought in a rear diffuser, the AMG diffuser, and he put it on. Then he brought it to us to run the exhaust. So we dualed it out for him, made him a custom Y pipe, as you guys can see right there. And then two tailpipes, this side and this side. Into some quad tips to complete the look. As you guys can see, it looks bad. You know the other word, I'm not gonna say it. Looks bad, it's sexy. As you guys can see there, black tips. There's the stock muffler that was on it right there that we cut off. There usually is a piece of plastic that comes right here. I don't know where they put it, but they took that off. We took it off and ran the pipe in its place to make it a dual look, as you guys can see there. So like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that share button if you guys can. We'd really appreciate you guys sharing with your friends. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Better. You need to those resonators off. At least that big one I show you. Still a little bit better than it was though. Sounds exotic. Here's sound decibels. Right at 93. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Which is even sexier. Sounds really nice. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. C250, we did a single to dual exhaust. Custom white pipe, custom tips, made it give it that AMG look. Came out really nice. You guys can see right there.